Some weeks ago, there's a claim that Crypto.com exchange sent $400 million to a wrong wallet. Different platforms posted about this and almost put Crypto.com in trouble. The Verge, Descript, Cointelegraph, Crypto News all posted about this. This happened shortly after a cryptocurrency exchange called FTX collapsed, which caused the crypto market to lose billions of dollars under 24 hours. Crypto.com CEO Chris tweeted later that the whole news was an FUD because the event happened a few months ago. They also went ahead and sent email to every users to inform them about how much their fund is safe and also how transparency they are. And they also shows the countries where they are licensed and legal to perform as a cryptocurrency exchange in the world. In the email, they share their cold wallet addresses where they hold users' funds into. Gate.io exchange, which was the owner of the wrong wallet, also claimed this news was an FUD. The snapshots of the transaction happened on the October 19 and the fund have been refunded back to the Crypto.com exchange. All the 320,000 Ethereum was returned, as you can see over here. There's no problem making a mistake, Although problems like this have happened to Crypto.com exchange before, which caused them months before they discover it. Maybe the person behind those transactions needs some time away until crypto market recover fully. But I know with time they will find solutions to this. But I think they are trustworthy because the exchange claimed that the transaction was made months ago, and Gate.io, the owner of the wrong wallet, also attests to it that the transaction happened long ago and it has been resolved. So for more of this kind of news, please follow and like this video. Thank you.